Now let's look at other templates. Hit create. Let's explore this decision template. So this template can be used to work with stakeholders to decide important things such as project scope or schedule changes. You can share and keep a track on the decisions made by your team through this particular template. So for example, I need to make a decision on my communication plan, whether I want to do ATL or BTL for a particular campaign. So I'll just mention the status for now as not started, and the decision that we need to take is ATL or BTL for the new product. So ATL and BTL, for your understanding, are strategies for advertising and marketing your product. So above the line or below the line. You can add the owner over here. In case you want to add somebody else, you can do that. So you can add any other team member as well if you want. And you can also tag the stakeholders who needs to take this decision. So in this case, I'm tagging Anne Maximo. You can also provide the due date by when the decision needs to be taken. And hit create. So here you can see how the decision template looks like. So you can use this info panel to add comments to the page directly. You can summarize the decision over here. This is the status. You can change the status by clicking over here. You can highlight the impact, whether it's high, medium or low. You can tag the approver if you want, the due date, and the final outcome once it's there. You also have the option to edit this table and customize it as per your requirement. You also have the structure to compare two options and come to a decision by comparing the pros and cons, the estimated cost and everything. You can also assign tasks to someone as part of this activity and finally summarize the outcome. So you can see that how beautifully the template has been structured and the information has been captured in a very extensive manner to help arrive to a decision. So once you have inserted the content, you can publish this page. One thing I want to highlight here is that if a blueprint is being used in a space for the first time, Confluence creates an index page and adds a shortcut to your sidebar. So you can see that this is for the decision log blueprint. An index page has been created and a shortcut has been added to space shortcuts. So this index displays a list of pages made with this blueprint. So you can see there was a page which was created earlier, and now we had created this ATL or BTL for the new product. So all the pages which are created using the decision log template would be listed over here. You can see the stakeholders which are tagged. You can see the final outcome, the due date and the owner. So you must have realized how useful this is. This is definitely going to help you find the information you are looking for in terms of the decision being taken or important task. And in case you want to create a new decision, you can create the same by clicking on this create decision button.